Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through super quick how to set up a YouTube ad campaign that actually works, that actually makes you money. And I'm not going to explain very much, I'm just going to go through and show you exactly what settings I use, what I found to work the best. So we're going to go ahead and play, we're on the campaigns view, we're going to hit this create campaign button, hit new campaign. We're going to select our objective. So let's say that I'm trying to get leads for a high ticket offer. I'll click leads, and then I'm going to add my conversion goal. So this is whatever conversions I'm optimizing for. So let's say that I go for this one. This is one that I set up myself. I'll hit continue, and then my campaign type is going to be a demand gen. This is what YouTube ads are under these days. I'll hit continue, start new, and then give it a name, just something that I can remember. And then I'm going to optimize for conversions. I'm going to select the conversion set that I'm interested in, and that's just the conversions that I've defined as my goal. So I want a lead, I want a booked call, I want a sale, etc. I'm going to put my daily budget, whatever that is, however much I want to spend per day, and then I'm just going to skip all of this stuff and go to add group 1. I'm going to, sure, I'll just leave it as United States. I'm going to choose channels. I'm going to get rid of YouTube Shorts, Discover, Gmail, Google Display Network. I only want YouTube in-stream, YouTube in-feed. For my audience, I got a lot of different options here, but let's say I'm going to create a new audience here, and I want to search for people that are searching for, let's say people who's searching for how to get a mortgage, or mortgage broker near me, or mortgage broker, something like that. And I'm going to call this just like mortgage search terms, something I can remember and I see what that is. And then I will go to demographics, and depending on what I'm going for, generally I'm going to target on household income. I'm going to usually get rid of lower 50% because they can't really afford anything. So let's say I want just top 10 to top 30%. I'm also going to get rid of unknown. A lot of unknowns are kids, by the way. Pro tip there, like I see a lot of experienced people that leave this checked, and they leave all this checked, and they end up like half of their ads are going to kids channels. So I'm going to go, I have to name it. Okay, so it's mortgage searches, and I'm writing everything wrong because I'm trying to be fast here. Okay, and then optimize targeting, turn that off, definitely turn that off, and I'm going to go to add one. I'm going to call it a video ad. Okay, my final URL, this is the landing page. This is where I want people to go. I'm going to go to, I'll just put in you'll put in your landing page where you want people to go from this particular ad. So this is just my home page, which you should totally visit, by the way, www.dominate.biz, especially if you want help setting up marketing that makes you money. That's what I do for my clients. Anyway, video. So I'm going to paste the video that I already have uploaded to YouTube. This is the video that I want to use as the ad. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to paste that in. And then I already have my logo here. If you don't, you'll want to set it up. I want to get rid of resized and shorter videos. And then headline, I'm going to say how to get the best mortgage rate. And then long headline, so this is what shows up on the in-feed ads. I'll just do the same thing for the sake of time. I could make it a little longer if I wanted to. And this video shows you how. And again, I would make this a little better, but for the sake of time, I'm just winging it here. Okay, and then business name is Dominate Marketing. Call to action text, I'll just leave that automated. Hit go to review. And publish campaign. And bam, our campaign is officially up and well, it has to go through a review process, but the campaign is done. So that's it. That's the full tutorial in under 5 minutes. If you would like me to do this for you, I will put a link in the description where you can get the details on that and apply and book a call with me. I also have a lot of other stuff on my channel if you want to go in detail about like how exactly to set your targeting, how to create the video in the first place, how to create your landing page, etc. That's all on my channel. And I also have, if you like, a free guide to how to run YouTube ads to get the best results. I've written it up into a free PDF guide. I'll put that in the description as well, where you can get that for free. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.